Okay, now that you know how to manipulate the image, let's create the focal trough or the arch at which you will be investigating what you want to investigate. So let's, for example, say that we want to draw a panoramic arch on the mandible. We want to look at the mandibular teeth so that we can plan our implant treatment planning. So let's go ahead. I want you to focus on my mouse, and we want to go to the very top bar, and we want to click on something called panoramic curve. Click on that, and you want to click manual. What you would do is you go to the axial view, which is at the bottom here, and you start clicking along that arch. Usually that involves intersecting the teeth. Okay, and you just keep clicking along, and you're basically creating something that resembles a horseshoe. And once you get to the very end, you just double click on it, click, click, and lo and behold, the screen shows up. A new view shows up. If you look closely at the very top, you'll notice that it has now pulled up something called a curve tab. The curve tab allows you to look at your 3D scan very much like a panoramic radiograph, which is something we're all familiar with. However, if you look on the very bottom, the panoramic view, you look at these teeth and you go, well, the lower front teeth look just fine, but the bicuspid and the molar areas look kind of angled, and we don't really like that. So what we do is we go back to the original view. Okay, we click on this thing called MPR, click on that, and we're going to change the orientation of our view. Again, we're going to take the crosshairs, move it to the teeth, and then we're going to change the angulation of our pitch. There you go. And now we're going to look at our teeth in this orientation. Now, if we take the panoramic curve and draw it again, you'll notice the teeth look a lot more upright. Okay? And you can see the canine, the bicuspids, the molars, there's a lot more upright. Now this gives you a true representation of the panoramic view. In order to look at the sectional slices, which is the sectional slices of these sectional slices correspond to this image down here, you can just click on the line and slide it back and forth, and you can actually see the dimensions of your sectional slices. So I want you to play with that.